Hi everyone, this is Alo. Today I'm gonna tell you the names of the birds.
Dove, a dove, it's a dove. Woodpecker, a woodpecker, it's a woodpecker. Peacock, a peacock, it's a peacock. Parrot, a parrot, it's a parrot. Flamingo, a flamingo, it's a flamingo. Rooster, a rooster, it's a rooster. Bat, a bat, it's a bat. Heron, a heron, it's a heron. Seagull, a seagull, it's a seagull. Sparrow, a sparrow, it's a sparrow. Nightingale, a nightingale, it's a nightingale. Pigeon, a pigeon, it's a pigeon. Crow, a crow, it's a crow. Goose, a goose, it's a goose. Duck, a duck, it's a duck. Ostrich, an ostrich, it's an ostrich. Owl, an owl, it's an owl. Penguin, a penguin, it's a penguin. Eagle, an eagle, it's an eagle. Vulture, a vulture, it's a vulture. Hawk, a hawk, it's a hawk.
Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Take care everyone.